everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing an easy way to do a smoky eye, which seems to be difficult but is not. If you want to know how did I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So the first step is to prime your eyes. I'm gonna use concealer and gonna blend it out and apply a setting powder to it. Now I'm gonna use a transparent tape for a cleaner and sharp edge on both the sides. So the second step is to apply the transition shade. I'm gonna take a light medium brown shade and apply it only in my crease line, and further gonna blend it and build the shade. So the third step is to apply a black kajal at the base. It is a very important step because it holds the color for a longer time. You can use a gel liner instead, a kajal. And you have to keep the kajal below the crease line. Now it's looking a bit of mess, but it will further be proper. So now with a flat shader brush, we're gonna even out the base. So the step 4 is to pat on the black eyeshadow over the base. So the basic ideology using a kajal or a gel liner for the base is that after a couple of hours, if your eyeshadow fades off, still there's a hint of color on your eye because of the kajal or the gel liner. So now I'm gonna use a pencil brush to add some brown color and diffuse the harsh lines of the black eyeshadow. So now I'm gonna blend both the colors out with a fluffy brush. So now you can see such a sharp and clean look is achieved. Just gonna soften the edges. So the next step is to apply eyeliner. I'm gonna make a very tiny wing eyeliner for a sharp and smooth look. I'm gonna curl the lashes and apply mascara. So if there is any fallout, then please use a wet wipe to clean it. So repeating the same process on the bottom lash line, that is applying the brown eyeshadow, applying kajal at the waterline and applying a bit of black eyeshadow very close to the lash line. And now highlighting the inner corners and the brow bone. So this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell button right next to it so that you get notified every single time.